If you are drowning in paperwork, chasing signatures, or struggling to keep contracts organized, then you are in the right place. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into Docusign, the contract lifecycle management that is more than just electronic signatures. It's a powerful workflow automation platform that helps you create, manage, and track every stage of your documents from drafting to approval storage. Whether you're in legal, sales, HR, or procurement, this tool can seriously streamline your process. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of Docusign. On the top corner, you have an option to contact the sales buy now option, and of course, the best is gonna be to click the try for free button. What will happen is you will be forwarded to a new page wherein you can try Docusign for free absolutely at no cost. No credit card required. After that, you will be forwarded to the main homepage of the Docusign platform. Now, as you may notice, that the homepage is your main dashboard in Docusign, providing a quick overview of your activity and important tasks. Of course, you can see their recent agreements and their status. For example, waiting for a signature, completed, and of course, you can start a new envelope if you want. You can even use a template. We're gonna deal with that later, but basically, this is where you can view all tasks like action required or waiting for others. Okay, we have all of these expiring zone and completed. Now, the agreements section is where you can manage all of the documents or envelopes that are being sent, signed, or completed. Now you can view envelopes by status like in progress, maybe completed, and view. You see that there on the envelopes you have inbox, sent, completed, action required. Okay, you can track the signing process in real time. You can open any agreements to see its recipients, audit trailing history. Of course, you can resend, correct, or cancel a document if needed. Obviously, the template section is where you can use any reusable forms or documents that can save you time. Obviously, you can create a new templates for frequently used agreements like contracts, NDAs. If you click the create a template, you will be creating a template from scratch. If you're already immersed with the Docusign platform, for example, template name is going to be, let's say, in this instance, we can put the template description. You can add documents if you want and click the save and close. All right. That way, we can share the templates with your team if you're in a collaborative environment. Okay. Or organization for consistency. Of course, during the template, there's going to be an option where you can use that templates or create a template by going to the template sections. Let's cancel this for now because I wanted to skip this part. I wanted to focus on the next section, which is gonna be the reports. Now, the reports section is useful for managing your account settings and users, which is typically for Docusign account administrators. In this section, you can add or remove users and assign roles, permissions. You can set security settings like two-factor authentication, configure branding, logos, color schemes, manage integrations, compliance, and user groups. Right now, the envelope usage is around at this time period. You can sort of like last month, last 3 months, and you have the envelope success like time period and last 30 days, depending on your preferences. Okay. Now, with that being said, the next is after the reports, there's going to be the admin again. And of course, the admin is where you configure any branding, logos, or color schemes. All right. Finding on users. You can find a new user by entering their name here or the email address. Okay. Right now, we have all these signing and sending, signing settings, sending settings, and email preferences. Now, what I want you to focus, if you wanted to go to the automation workflow, Just give me a few minutes, give me a jiffy. I'm gonna get back to that. It's loading right now, but there is, in terms of the agreements, there is the Maestro workflows. I want you to pay attention because if you click the Maestro workflows, you can save time with Maestro workflows because you can create automatic workflows with steps from Docusign and other popular apps. No code required. Now, how do you use it? It's simple. Simplify how you agree. Take the Maestro course, browse workflow templates, connect apps, and Maestro use cases. Now, if you're curious about the templates, let's click some of the templates that you can use to create your workflow. All right. You will be forwarded to a new page wherein we can begin by choosing any of the following. All right. You need to log in for the account creation. And then now the Maestro workflow is a powerful automation tool that helps you orchestrate complex document-centric business processes. So it goes beyond just sending documents for signature. It lets you automate and coordinate entire workflows that include multiple systems, people, and steps. And again, before you can use the Maestro workflow, you need to upgrade to the IM plan. Unfortunately, and I hate to break it to you guys, this is the only way for you to use it. So your trial ends in 23 days. For example, you've used the free trial. Now the starter is at $40, which is going to be the best plan so that you can use the Maestro workflow and leverage the series of connected actions and decisions that you design to automate a business process. Okay, so you can send documents for signature. You can have a routing based on conditional logic like approval needed, integrating with external apps like Salesforce, Workday, or Google Drive, and of course, sending notifications or reminders because it allows you to trigger follow-up tasks or updates in any systems. All right, so again, you need to choose the IM plan before you can proceed with the Maestro workflow. You would notice that there are like 6 steps to get started, and you have the Maestro community at your back if you have any questions about anything related to the workflow automation here in Docusign. Now, the Navigator is also a new feature. You can quickly access agreements and unlock powerful insights. You can use Navigator to centrally store, manage, and analyze agreements with help from AI. And the Power Forms is something that you might want to reach more customers with Power Forms. But again, you need to upgrade to a specific plan before you can utilize all the hidden features and tools here in Docusign. And with that being said, and that's a wrap on our walkthrough in using Docusign CLM. Now, Docusign stands out with its powerful automation, intuitive workflow design, and seamless integrations. Whether you're managing NDAs, sales contracts, or procurement documents, it seriously boosts productivity and ensures compliance every step of the way. But overall, if you're looking to modernize your document process, Docusign CLM is definitely worth considering. Although it has a bit of a learning curve for beginners, and the premium features can get pricey. If this video helped you out, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more practical tech walkthroughs like this one. If you have any questions or suggestions for our next video, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.